Come back, and this is another video that I created on how to create how to make or prepare or cook dry fried marinated pork. That's what we are doing. This is Best Friend TV. If you've not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to this. Make sure you like this video so that you can help me with the algorithm, so that my video can be suggested alongside the other videos. Today I'm hanging out with
Chef Samuel, the captain, or culinary gangster Kenya. I'm a residential chef. A residential chef means you won't find me in hotels. You will find me in residential places on
homesteads.
That's where I work a lot.
So you are like the barbecue guy in the movie.
Yeah, I'm just like the barbecue guy.
Who has the apron and everybody comes around, you know.
Travel where your job is.
Oh, right. So you're like a freelancer.
Yeah, I'm a freelancer.
So if I want to call you, I can call you for an evening party or something?
Definitely.
We are talking about preparing the dry fried marinated pork. Look at this. Look, hold this, please. Yeah. Look at this. Just look at this. And with, what is this?
Those are fried potatoes.
Check this one. Yeah. Fried potatoes.
Fried potatoes.
So how do you make these fried potatoes?
Fried potatoes, you just need to fry them. You just need to fry them on a pan. Add some cooking oil.
So you're not going to use a saucepan?
No, you're going to use the fried pan.
Frying pan, not the saucepan.
Yeah.
So for better results, you have to use the fried pan.
Yeah, the frying pan. Add some cooking oil. Then remember, we had blanched from our previous shots. We had already blanched the potatoes in salty boiling water. We just need to have cooked them, and then you drain them very well in some cold tap running water. From there, once you make sure that your oil is bubbling hot on the frying pan, add your potatoes, then season them with some paprika spice. You can add some parsley, some chopped parsley, or some freshly coriander leaves. But for our case, our fried potatoes, we need to use the fresh basil and mixed herbs. And then you garnish with some paprika spice. And you just need to fry them for 5 minutes. They'll be done. Yeah, very tasty with our dry fried marinated pork. And for our salad, we had to use the guacamole. Guacamole is a Mexican thing, or a Mexican salad.
I'm just here, you know. I just love the taste I'm getting from these potatoes. They are just not potatoes, eh? I also want you to taste, because if you poison me, we die together, right?
No, you're what you eat. You're what you eat.
Oh, I wish I can give you a piece. But the problem is you're watching. See, when I taste this pork, it doesn't taste like the pork that I know. No, this is a pork that I know.
Yeah, like just the one that you just go to the butchery, get some pork, and then you just come home, fry it with some onion and some tomatoes. And you just say like, okay, this is a pork.
This is a pork. And this is a very boring type of pork, because you know, even the hairs, the white hairs, they are shooting. You're seeing them. You're seeing the color, whitish color. But if you look at this one, it's pork, but a very different kind of pork.
Yeah, a dry fried marinated pork. The term marinated.
So that's the taste.
Yeah, that's the taste. That's now where we come up with that taste that you can taste.
What is marinated? What is marinating? What is that? Because I don't know.
Marinating or marination. A marinade is the fresh herbs or the spices that you add to meat to make it have a different taste. Because for our case, we have the dry fried marinated pork. It won't taste just like the normal pork. We had to add some spices.
That's a taste that you've put there.
Yeah. Well, every qualified chef knows it's supposed to be done like this. But now, your creativity is what makes your client to love your job. Like, for example, in our case, you've said you've never eaten a pork like that.
Sure. Let me
So
have a piece.
apart
Let
from
me
the
have a
apart from the recipe, you also have to be creative because you have to know how to play around with spices. Yeah.
So, you and the guy that makes alcohol, there's no difference.
There's no difference because he is also a chef, but in a different department. If you put coriander, you'll have, it depends. If you're putting freshly chopped corianders, the taste is different, like from the ones, like from the dried corianders.
The dried
Yeah.
one. So get another piece. Get another piece. This is your work. This is your work. It's beautiful.
And very delicious.
Oh my God! I wish you were here, and I think you should subscribe and get us. Get in touch so that next time we might invite you to see this free work. I'm not exaggerating here.
Yeah, sure. We'll have to also invite you to, if you'd like to be invited to be part of our team, especially when we have these sessions. We'll be sharing our contacts and you can just hit us up. If you need my services, you can DM me on my Facebook page. That is Samuel Uranjo Karanja.
Samuel Uranjo
Karanja. Or you can hit me up through my cell phone number, which is 0729 179 788.
Again.
Yeah, and also you can also DM me on my 0729 179 788 on my WhatsApp. Yeah, or via call.
This is beautiful, really beautiful.
Yeah, it's a job well done, brother.
And where did you study? Did you teach it? There's some people come up with their own skills, or you are trained for this?
I trained for this in Nyeri Technical Training Institute. I also got a chance to work with a very good company that also had to also train us. It was called Books First or Sherlock's Den. The former restaurant that used to they had their own establishments just next to Nakumat, the former Nakumat supermarkets. Yeah, I'm a professional chef. That's why I call myself captain.
Have another piece, captain.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
When I had captain, I thought you were out in the oceans there.
No. It's just I'm captain in cooking industry. Yeah, guacamole it has a very simple. You just need to use very simple and very available ingredients. You just need avocado. Guacamole, first of all, guacamole is a Mexican salad because it serves Mexican food.
So that's the history of the
it's the history of guacamole from Mexico.
Let me have a spoon. I need to taste this.
So it has avocado, some chopped onions, chopped tomatoes, and then you add some grated garlic or minced garlic, and some fresh peppers. But for our case, we had to use the cayenne pepper because we didn't have the fresh peppers. Then you season with salt, lemon juice, or the white vinegar.
Oh my God! Did you get that? It's inside our home. I'm not in a hotel actually. I'm in the sitting room. I'm talking with this guy.
Yeah, it's a home cooking.
This one is a home remedy. Is it a remedy or?
No, this is we call it home cooking.
Home cooking.
Yeah, home cooking ingredient. The one that you just rush to the farmer's market and they are just readily available.
So let's stop there. I want to talk about your favorite ingredients for any cooking.
Yeah.
What are your favorite ingredients?
Well, my favorite ingredients when it comes to spices, I always make sure I have some soy sauce. I have some garam masala. I have some dana jeera. I have cumin. I have black pepper. I have mixed spice, and I have turmeric. Yeah. With those ingredients, I assure you,
I can make beef.
I can make beef in a different
wet
style.
fry.
Yeah.
I can make chicken. I can marinate chicken with all those ingredients.
Yeah, if you also want to make some curry, you'll also make some flavorful curry. You just need to add some more ingredients, and they are just available ingredients. Because if you want to make a flavorful coconut curry, you can just rush to the supermarket near you, and you won't lack some coconut cream or some coconut powder, or maybe even from the farmer's market, you'll get some.
It's available in the local
fresh coconuts, and you just make some. flavorful curries.
So the things you're getting from the captain himself is I'm not here to present you a person that is going to there's some exaggerated ingredients that you won't even find in the local market. You have to maybe ship. It's possible, right?
Yeah, it's very possible to ship.
Done.
So, yeah.
Done.
Yeah, done.
No. We're not talking about this. Really.
The ingredient that we're talking about, they are readily available from our farmers market and the supermarkets around us. The only other thing that I wanted to talk about is for the potatoes. If you want to make, you can make different style of potatoes. If you had some fresh parsley from the farmers market, the same recipe that we use to fry some potatoes, we only need to omit the fresh herbs and add now the parsley to make it parsley potato.
The parsley.
Yeah.
So to get this, you also have to know this type of the ingredients, the spices you're talking about. If it's like a different kind of pepper, you should be having it in your mind, because we might talk about something parsley, blah blah blah, but you don't understand this. And if you don't get this, you're not going to have the correct thing that we presented to you. So let's talk about the portions for the guacamole.
For our case, we used 1 avocado. So we used a pinch of salt to make it tasty. And also you just need to add, for 1 avocado, use half lemon juice. You just need to cut your lemon into halves. Just use 1/2.
You squeeze it.
Yeah, just squeeze the juice. And for the fresh pepper, if you're using the fresh pepper, just use quarter of the pepper. Yeah.
This one is the half lemon you're talking about. You squeeze it inside.
Yeah, the half lemon. You just need to squeeze the juice. And use 1 onion and half green pepper. If you don't have green pepper, you can also use the coriander stems. They also work so well. And
so you chop the green pepper.
Yeah, and one tomato. And make sure your tomato, you just need to remove the seeds.
So you want to use the skin.
Yeah, you
not
just
the middle part.
you only need to use the skin, so you'll have to remove the seeds.
What's
the
the
tomato
secret
seeds.
behind that?
The secret behind that is because we don't want our guacamole to be soggy. If we could have used the tomato seeds and all the juices, it would be very soggy and you won't like it.
Sweet, man.
Yeah. If you're starving, our recipe can only take 45 minutes.
45 minutes.
Yeah.
The secret about that is that it can work perfectly for your hotel.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, sure.
Because if a client comes around and said, I want dry fried, marinated pork.
The maximum time that you can give for that client is 45 minutes.
45 minutes?
Yeah.
Serve the drinks.
Yeah. So
45 minutes.
by the time your client finishes the drinks and all, then
It's on the
ready.
table.
Yeah. If you would be having any home event, you can also hit us up.
Yeah, actually, I'll post this on the description. I'll put the contacts for this guy. You can holler at him if you have anything. And don't think it's so big. It's not big.
No, it's not big.
It's something
We just
good.
used-
As long as you appreciate my work.
Yeah, and we just use
Then we
the
give you
very
the best.
available ingredients.
Yeah, so don't think, oh, no, this one very expensive. This one is even 5 stars.
No,
Why
we are
I
not. We are
cannot
not.
buy this one?
No, we are not very expensive. And also, the other thing that I would like to tell all our subscribers, tell a friend to tell a friend, because this is just a start. So we'll be uploading so many recipes. So keep in touch.
We'll be giving exclusive packs for the loyal members.
Yeah.
So we can put a recap of a video or a recipe, and then we put it under membership, meaning you have to access it as a member. It's only I think $2.
Sure. Yeah,
Very
$2.
affordable.
Yeah,
you know.
$2.
You just register as a
very affordable.
member,
Yeah.
and then we can move together. You get your knowledge. We teach you a lot of recipes.
Yeah, sure.